Welcome to this guide on USDC, Circle's USD-Backed Stablecoin. In this video, we'll explore what makes USDC one of the most trusted and widely used stablecoins in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. USDC stands for US Dollar Coin, and it's designed to function as a digital version of the US dollar. Throughout this presentation, we'll break down how USDC works, why it's considered highly reliable, and how regulatory compliance sets it apart from other digital currencies. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or looking to understand stablecoins better, this guide will provide you with a clear understanding of USDC and its role in modern finance. USDC is a digital dollar stablecoin, which means it's a cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value by being pegged one-to-one with the US dollar. For every USDC token in circulation, there is one US dollar held in reserve. This stablecoin is issued by Circle, a financial technology company that operates under strict regulatory oversight. What makes USDC special is that it's fully reserved with US dollar assets held in regulated financial institutions. This means the backing is transparent and verifiable. Additionally, USDC is available on multiple blockchain networks including Ethereum, Solana, Algorand, Polygon, Stellar, and Avalanche. This multi-chain support allows users to transfer and use USDC across different platforms seamlessly, making it one of the most accessible stablecoins in the market. Maintaining a stable one-to-one peg with the US dollar is crucial for any stablecoin, and USDC achieves this through four key mechanisms. First, full reserves ensure that every USDC token is backed by one US dollar or equivalent assets held in reserve accounts. Second, redeemability means that USDC can be exchanged one-to-one for US dollars through authorized partners at any time, providing confidence in its value. Third, monthly attestations are conducted where independent accounting firms verify that Circle's reserve holdings match the number of USDC tokens in circulation. Finally, regulated custody ensures that all reserves are held in segregated accounts at regulated U.S. financial institutions, protecting users' funds. Together, these mechanisms create a robust system that maintains USDC's stable value, making it reliable for everyday transactions and long-term holdings. The composition of USDC's reserves is designed for maximum safety and liquidity. Circle holds reserves in two primary forms. First, cash deposits, which are US dollars held in bank accounts at regulated financial institutions. Second, short-term US Treasuries, which are low-risk government securities with maturities of 3 months or less. These Treasury securities are among the safest investments available because they're backed by the US government. Circle publishes monthly transparency reports that detail exactly how reserves are allocated, and these reports are verified by independent auditors. The key advantage of this reserve composition is that 100% of the reserves are liquid and can be easily converted to cash. This means that if users want to redeem their USDC for dollars, the funds are readily available, ensuring confidence and stability in the system. Regulatory compliance is one of USDC's strongest features and sets it apart from many other stablecoins. Circle holds money transmitter licenses across multiple states in the United States, allowing it to legally operate as a financial service provider. The company implements comprehensive anti-money laundering and Know Your Customer programs, which are commonly abbreviated as AML and KYC. These programs help prevent illegal activities and verify the identity of users. On a global scale, USDC is compliant with the European Union's Markets in Crypto Assets Framework, known as MiCA, as well as other international regulatory standards. To ensure ongoing compliance and transparency, Circle undergoes regular third-party audits conducted by major accounting firms like Grant Thornton. These audits verify that reserves are properly held and that the company follows all required regulations, building trust with users and institutions worldwide. USDC serves multiple important functions in the digital economy. One of its primary uses is for cross-border payments, where it enables fast and low-cost international transfers without the delays typical of traditional banking systems. Transactions that might take days through banks can be completed in minutes with USDC in the trading world. USDC provides a stable medium of exchange on cryptocurrency trading platforms, allowing traders to move in and out of volatile cryptocurrencies without converting back to traditional fiat currency. Within decentralized finance, or DeFi, USDC serves as a foundation for lending protocols, borrowing platforms, and yield farming applications. Users can earn interest by lending their USDC or use it as collateral for loans. For businesses, USDC is increasingly used for treasury management and enables instant settlement of payments, making it valuable for enterprises that need to move money quickly and efficiently across borders. When compared to other stablecoins, USDC offers several distinct competitive advantages. First is transparency. Circle publishes monthly attestation reports with full reserve disclosure, allowing anyone to verify that the backing exists. This level of openness is not standard across all stablecoins. Second is regulatory clarity. Circle operates under a strict U.S. regulatory framework with proper licensing, which provides legal certainty and protection for users. Third is reserve quality. Unlike some stablecoins that have used commercial paper or other less liquid assets, USDC is backed only by cash and short-term US Treasuries. This makes the reserves extremely safe and easily convertible. Finally, institutional trust is a major advantage. USDC has been widely adopted by major cryptocurrency exchanges, payment platforms, and financial institutions around the world. This widespread acceptance makes USDC more useful and accessible, reinforcing its position as a leading stablecoin. One of USDC's most powerful features is its availability across multiple blockchain networks. USDC operates on Ethereum, which is represented by the ETH symbol, Solana, Algorand, Polygon, Stellar, and Avalanche, among others. Each blockchain network has different strengths. For example, Ethereum offers the largest decentralized finance ecosystem, while Solana provides extremely fast transaction speeds. Polygon offers low transaction fees, and Stellar is optimized for cross-border payments. By being available on all these networks, USDC gives users the flexibility to choose the blockchain that best fits their needs. The ability to perform seamless cross-chain transfers means that USDC can move between these different blockchains, enabling global accessibility and interoperability. This multi-chain approach makes USDC incredibly versatile and helps it serve a wide range of use cases from payments to complex decentralized applications. Security is paramount for any digital currency, and USDC incorporates multiple layers of protection. First, Circle conducts regular smart contract audits performed by leading blockchain security firms. These audits identify and fix potential vulnerabilities in the code that powers USDC on various blockchains. Second, USDC includes a blacklist function, which allows Circle to freeze addresses that are involved in illegal activities or security breaches. While this may seem contrary to the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrency, it's an important compliance feature that protects the overall ecosystem. Third, segregated reserves mean that customer funds are held separately from Circle's operating capital, ensuring that even if Circle faced financial difficulties, user assets would remain protected. Finally, 24/7 monitoring means Circle continuously surveils on-chain activities and reserve holdings to detect and respond to any unusual patterns or potential threats. These comprehensive security measures work together to protect users and maintain the integrity of the USDC system. Let's recap the most important points about USDC first. USDC is a fully reserved stablecoin backed one-to-one by US dollars and short-term treasury securities, ensuring its value remains stable. Second, Circle operates under strict regulatory compliance with licenses across multiple jurisdictions, including the United States and European Union, providing legal protection and transparency. Third, monthly attestations conducted by independent auditors provide regular verification of reserves, building trust through transparency. Fourth, multi-chain support enables USDC to work across numerous blockchain networks, supporting versatile use cases from simple payments to complex decentralized finance applications. And fifth, strong security measures combined with widespread institutional adoption make USDC a trusted digital dollar that bridges traditional finance and the cryptocurrency ecosystem. USDC represents a significant step forward in creating stable, reliable, and compliant digital currencies that can serve both individual users and large institutions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.